We're at the Holy Land. Costco. I thought you were gonna say copyright. That too.
The nitty gritty band will get mad at you. Nitty gritty dirt.
They'll show up at our door.
You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and count the stars where the cool winds blow.
We're about to go on a 4-hour car ride. I'm going up to visit family. Maddie's coming home.
You get to ride a train!
Yay! I packed so much, but also not really. I just
carry it on the train.
What do you mean? I have to carry that onto the train?
Yeah. Are you gonna sit on the first floor or second floor?
There's floors? Yeah, I tend to overpack, but it's not that even that I overpack. One big suitcase is just a little stressful for me because everything gets so mixed and matched. So I just have 3 separate bags with like clothes, pajamas, and underwear, and then like everything else. We're back at it again, trying to do slick back hairstyle, but once again, my layers are not letting me. Yay! I'm so excited. The bracelet that my brother got me. Just was picking it. Where's the secret? Sorry, Maddie and her own. Can you walk us through what's on that, please?
First off, on the right, ketchup. In the middle, relish. On the left, mustard. Then on top, sprinkled some grated Parmesan cheese and some crushed red pepper flakes.
What would you rate it?
A 9.5 out of 10.
Okay, okay. This is my Costco pizza. Is there with my teeth?
Nope.
There's Parmesan. I know you're lying.
No, there really isn't.
Costco pizza.
Secret sauce ramen.
On the first phase of our mission is complete. Next phase, phase 2. This is a 3-phase mission. We're on phase 3. Phase 1 was get in, get food. Phase 3 is backing out.
It's this Costco is set up so poorly. It sucks to drive.
Stopped at the gas station. I'm always like, I will take this and this and this and this and this and this. But you know, you always need the milk duds, and then the trolleys, and then the gas station fountain drinks.